In Illustrator, there isn't just one way to work with text. You can click to type, draw a text area, or even adjust individual characters. Let's explore how type, area type, and touch type achieve different outcomes, and when to use each. The Type tool creates point text. It's ideal for short lines like headings or labels. Click once and type. The text expands as you type. It doesn't wrap automatically. The Area Type tool creates text inside a defined shape. Instead of expanding in one line, the text wraps within the boundaries of the shape. The Touch Type tool lets you adjust individual characters without outlining the text. You can modify one character at a time while keeping the text editable. 3 tools, 3 different ways to control text. With a clear understanding of these tools, you can approach typography in Illustrator with greater confidence and control.